Heidi ho, how are you all doing today? Good, I hope. Mr. Wonderful is spotty dog today. -16, really, really cold. Blue skies. Yeah, snow's on the trees, looks beautiful. Right, what am I going to do today? Today I'm going to do, I haven't done one of these before, it's a pound. Yes, a pound, cup of tea, yes, a pound. So, yeah, I brought a few of these back with me. So, that's a Scottish thistle, isn't it? Yeah. First of all, we've got to knock this centrepiece out. So I'll go this side, I think. Right. I wonder what Natasha's doing today. Oh, and Graham. Oh, I haven't forgot you, Graham. Right. You was on about what other types of coins you could do. Well, I could do any coins, really, Graham. I mean, this is small. There's also threepenny bits, make small rings. But, you know. And if anybody gets any problems with their rings I've just set off, get back to me. You should be okay. Right, let's heat it up a bit. Where is he? There he is. Burning the fire starter. God, you soon got your rings. I only posted them a couple of days ago. Yeah, I put down my local watering hole late yesterday afternoon. Had a couple of bevies with my mates. Very nice too. The only trouble is I have to get a bloody bus to it. But, because you don't drink and drive. Plus it's nowhere to bloody park, neither. Right, there you go. Let's break out the one and only. Where is he? I had him a minute ago. Yeah, what's going on here? Someone's messing about with me. I just had Dimples. Now Dimples seems to disappear. Oh, there he is. Stupid boy. Right, what are we going to go for? We've got Elizabeth. If you're called Elizabeth, this will make a nice ring. Or if he was born in 2017, it'll make a nice ring. Or we can have £1. I don't know, really. What do you reckon? I suppose. Yeah, let's go with Elizabeth. Rule Britannia. Right. Forgive me, as I know not what I do. You're an idiot, you are. Yeah, I know. I can't help it. Right, let's go over to Big Red. And there's Big Red. Looking big, as usual. Right. Oh, shit. What happened there? God, bloody hell. That didn't want to go. So now we need one of these 17-degree folding die. And I think that's pretty sexy. Put a bit of the old jollop in there. Makes things slide a little bit easier. Bit too much, perfect. Right, let's whack him in there. Now that's not too shabby. I've just been watching the old Olympics again. Amazing. These cross-country skiers. Unbelievable. Right, I'm going to warm it up again. And then I've got to take you over to Spike. The camera doesn't like going to Spike. I have to piss around with it for ages. So I'll turn you off. And I'll turn it back on again. Just like that. Okay, just annealed it again. I've got the camera sorted out on Spike. Spike is my ring stretcher. And he stretches your ring. Yeah, I've done a pound one before. I've done a £2 one. This is quite easy. See, it's got this edge. I'll have to take that off, but I'll take that off camera because it takes quite a while. I think I could. It needs a bit more love, I think, with Bernie. I won't turn you off for this, though. I think my table's not looking too bad again. I cleaned the apartment yesterday, right? Hoovered it up and stuff like that. Okay, I'm not very good at all that sort of stuff. But I texted my girlfriend and I said, yeah, I've cleaned the apartment. And she texted me back, yeah, clean the apartment, with a big smiley face. As if to say, you don't know what cleaning an apartment is even like. I thought it was quite good. I think she's quite impressed when she came home there. She's very impressed with what I do around the house. Right, okay. Right, what size we got? Just out of interest. There's no lip inside. This is a size 10. Just over. But we now need to go down to the bottom end of Spike. We need to find one of these little hoochie coochie coos. So I just want to straighten up them walls a bit. I'll get you a bit closer, show, a bit more involved. What do you reckon? Right. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. I've got loads of coins. You can even send me your own coins. Oh la la! You're just looking to straighten them walls up a bit. Maybe a tad more. There you go. Pretty damn sexy, eh? There's a little bit. You can't get it all off. I can get most of it off, but I do that off camera because it takes quite a while. Right, let's break out. Let's break out Kate Bush. I'll just get the fire scale off. This is like Quad-Zero steel wool. It doesn't really scratch it. Just cleans it up a bit. That'd be good to have it in shot, wouldn't it? Sorry about that. Can't see Jack. I know. Right. That's where I can Felton John. Oh, Nikita, you'll never know just how much I love you so. Right. Here it is. Here it is. Bit the odd polish. Too much. Perfect. Right. Let's show a bit of love, shall we? Exciting, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, if you'd like to show me some support, a bit of affection, a bit of love, you can always, oh, excuse me, you can always subscribe, which I'd appreciate it. There's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video, you hit that, stuff happens. And you can also hit the like button for me. I mean, why not? I mean, you know, you've got a right arm. There's a little button, bottom right hand corner. Hit it. Lift your arm up. Put your little finger out, or your middle finger. I like the middle finger sketch best. And touch that little red button. I don't know what I'm talking about. I didn't have that much to drink last night. I had a few. Right, let's get to clean the cloth. This is Natasha's pink cloth I got especially for her. Right. How's it looking? What we got? What's it all about? Screaming and a shout. Don't ask me, 'cause I don't know. There you go. If your name's Elizabeth, you got yourself a ring. 2017. We've still got the detail on the inside. £1. Not a lot going on there though, is there really? You got a little bit of foliage there, but you know. But I will take this edge off. There's a little bit of an edge, not as bad as the £2 one. But it might rub into this finger, so I usually take that off a little bit. Not totally, but take the edge off, you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? What size we got? We've got a size, oh, nearly 9. I can make them bigger. I can make them smaller. I can do magic. Scooby-doo, biddy-doo, biddy-doo. Right, there you go. Let's zoom out a bit, shall we? So we can get the full effect. There you go. Thank you all for subscribing. Thanks for watching my videos. If you want to watch them a bit longer, it'd be great. If you want to hit the little button, it'd be great. Hit all the buttons, it'd be great. And yeah, hope you're having a great weekend. Try and make somebody smile in your life. I try to make somebody smile every day. It's difficult though. I'm a bit of an idiot, so it usually does work. especially when I'm down the pub. But there you go, folks. Thanks a lot. And I'll see you on the next episode of Mr. Wonderful. Take it easy. Tubby bye-bye. Have it.